Hey everyone, welcome to season 2 of our podcast, Nocturnal Citizens. I'm Gremlin.
I'm Rigsby.
Oh, hi.
No. I'm first. It's Rigsby.
And third is Murphy.
So we are excited to be back with a new segment, Stray Frequencies. And for our first segment, we'll be starting with a new show called Dogs in Space. Yes, more animated animals. Can't go wrong with that. Also, just wanted to quickly update and say we will now be dropping our podcast per usual on Fridays, but we'll be moving it to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So, without further ado, get comfy, grab a snack, and hope you enjoy.
I really like the intro. It's cute.
Oh, cute. Wait.
Huh?
The Chihuahua, his name was Chonies.
Choni?
Yeah.
Chonies? That's cute.
Of course. Future true story.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they look gorgeous.
Nice.
That's gross.
I kind of want a plushie of it.
Of course you do. What if it also threw up on you?
Did he just kill their pet?
You shouldn't get attached so quickly.
It's true.
You weren't really negotiating, though.
No.
I would never trust a corgi to do the negotiating.
The first mistake, I assume. Why does she look like Thor?
I think it's just the coloring.
Okay. I don't know. The cape and everything. It's just very Thor.
I mean, the rest of it, I don't see Thor, but I do get it with the cape. He's cute.
I feel that so deeply.
I love him. I love him already.
That one. The chaos. I love it. Yes. There we go.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta love that regifting. Did you say get to the Pluto?
The Pluto.
she just yeets her. Brutal.
Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
So
Oh, wow.
does the Corky's audacity remind you guys of James Kirk?
Of a what?
Of what?
Of Kirk.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, Kirk.
Yes.
Got you.
I literally thought you said cheese stick.
No.
I was so zoned in. I didn't hear you, right?
Oh, he's a human.
He's doing it for his human.
Oh, he just wants to be a good boy.
That's valid.
I mean,
Space Shield.
I love her.
They figure out in the end, they did all this, and the humans died.
Stop.
You know, I was thinking that too, but I had the courtesy to not
Why?
say it.
You gotta be realistic. That's what the people want you to think, or the ghost wants you to think.
That's the question.
Oh, a people pleaser.
That's nice. Whoa. Whoa.
What the?
I say no.
It's the circle of life.
I say no.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought he was gonna come out here and.
That would have been funny.
That quickly? That's like the fastest digestiveness. Digestiveness?
I just figured he was like a holy being.
Is that the more capable team? Oh, yep. I love the fact that his name is Garbage.
It's a great name. And the Chihuahua is Johnny's.
Uh-oh. He's in trouble. They're gonna tell him he's a bad boy.
No. That would be like the ultimate smack on the palm.
Mm-hmm. Rude.
Damn.
The shade.
No wonder his voice sounded familiar.
Who? Kirk? Garbage Kirk?
You looked it up.
Yeah, he's voiced by Haley Joel Osment.
I told you dogs always expect gifts.
What?
Dogs always expect the gifts.
That's a great. Oh my god. Yes. The incorporation.
14 dog years.
Man, he's 14. He looks that great. He just got little feet. I told you. He's a bad boy.
He definitely has taken inspiration from Star Trek.
I feel like most space stuff is either off Star Trek or Star Wars.
Yeah, but this one's heavily
Yeah.
Star Trek. Oh my god, his little outfit! Are you kidding me?
Is it like Dogtopia?
I like that.
How do
little
I go
dog.
live there?
They said, "Fuck the sloth."
Cosmic game of fetch.
That's cute.
It's one way to say it.
Yeah.
He's gonna steal the spaceship. Yep.
Classic Kirk.
Mm-hmm. Also classic Corgi. They never listen. That's Chelsea.
Oh,
Different
okay.
lady.
I see.
Wait, so Chelsea's the human?
Yeah,
Yes. That's his human.
Okay.
not the one floating right there. The one that was in the crowd.
Oh, okay.
That one.
Got you.
He needs a vacation.
Any kind of strapper.
Hmm. We found the troublemaker.
That tripped me out for a minute.
What?
What? Oh.
His name is Loaf.
Loaf. Oh. I want to squish it. Wasn't the button the Star Trek symbol?
I didn't pay attention. It looks like their symbol's a star.
Angering out. Oh my god.
Nah. He been booped. Loaf.
That is messed up.
That's also corgi. Is it
But he's not the corgi. He's not an actual
He's
corgi.
in character.
Oh my god. Embark. Okay, is her name Nomi or Snowmi?
Nomi.
It's Nomi. Oh my goodness.
What kind of dog is she?
Shih Tzu? She looks like a Shih Tzu.
She could be. Gremlin, go research.
Yeah, she's
Nice.
Shih Tzu.
Bam. Da, da, da.
It's a husky.
Eh.
Oh, already done.
Yep, guess so. So they're like 17-ish minutes? Let me see.
But what do you guys think?
It's cute.
I really like the fact that it is so connected to Star Trek. I think that's very
Yeah, I love space exploration.
Okay, they're like 20-ish minutes long.
So they're about as long as Bee and Puppy Cat. So if anyone wants to watch along,
I'm really liking
you'll know it's about 20 minutes.
I'm really liking the voice acting.
And Nomi. I like Nomi.
Yeah, Nomi and Loaf
Yes.
and Choni.
Yeah, I like Garbage and Choni.
Of course you like garbage.
I am corgi biased.
It's
You're also
a
trash panda.
corgi.
That's rude.
She's calling you out.
Is that what we got?
So we saw. Okay, so the humans are still existing from what we just now saw.
Yeah,
I think-
terribly, but yeah.
I think those are also
Yeah.
pre-recordings.
They're not.
I don't know if those are like new recordings to the dogs.
That's true. They could be.
Well, it seems like it's all preventative. Like they're having a panic because of numbers that they've crunched, and they know that they have a limited amount of time, and they're like, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Don't. That's what it seems like happened.
I kind of also hope it doesn't end with the humans being like wiped out or whatever, just because it. I mean, it feels a little too bleak, I guess, because then their entire mission's just like. You know what
Yeah.
I mean?
It
It
would
would
be
be-
for naught.
Yeah, really depressing.
I mean, they could find a different sort of ambition and sort of way of life after, if it did go that way. But I don't know, it just feels like it. Like, if I was them, I'd be like, well, all of that was for naught.
Yeah. Especially considering that their entire purpose is to make their humans happy.
Make man's best friend, yeah.
And then, like, if you look from like a species standpoint, dogs were pretty much genetically like changed to grow with us, so they would literally lose their one point of contact to like what they used their whole life based around and stuff. So, like, what would they do after?
Yeah.
Wander with lack of
Yeah.
purpose. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna hope for not that ending, because that makes me really sad, and it's just not right. It's not what should happen for the betterment of these lovely, lovely creatures, and I feel like I'm invested now to make sure that doesn't
But also, I'd like to say these alien creatures that they're having to fight, they're just creatures too, you know?
Well,
Like,
yeah, that's what it comes down to. I mean, in any battle, they're just people doing their jobs.
yeah, it's like wars. There's always two
Yep.
sides.
Unnecessary casualties, but also necessary if you look at it in that perspective.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. So on that
On that note, um, catch you on the next episode. Please subscribe and leave comments below. We'd really appreciate it. We'd love to hear from you. And also let us know your thoughts so far on the new show, how you're feeling with it. And thanks for tuning in. Good boy.
note.
Boy.